Tomorrow she will do eye makeup.
Guys, I reached it now. It's the second day of the workshop.
Is it fine now? The eyebrow, I think the shape is
There you
normal.
should.
Here?
Yeah.
Illa?
Now it's covered.
I don't know how to use it. When you apply this blue powder, it falls off. Okay. ಅದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತನಾ?
ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, but you have to either do it before the eye makeup and your
See this one I
It
have.
was on the nose.
it is on the nose now. Compact.
Everything will put MyGlamm. Full discount.
After that.
That's what I told you, no? Keep trying.
Yeah.
When you keep trying it, this is not suiting. Let me try a different color now, or let me mix two colors, or if I have taken this color little more, let me add this color very little. When you do that combinations, no, then you know how much ratio. But make sure you remember what ratio you used and what result you got. Now I am there, so you are asking me whether this is correct or not. But when you are seeing, don't you feel that it is correct?
Yeah. With this foundation something.
ಇಲ್ಲ, let it settle. Settle ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಕಿಗೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. Yeah, blend it a little. Blush it, yeah.
Blush it.
You can use this brush.
Just the foundation, I need to mix and match few shades. This is the perfect shade which I use day to day basis. ये तो BB cream तरह का रहता है. Foundation है, but it's like lighter. See, ये color है. Now it's messy.
So here, from here I have to start it.
From the inner corner start. Oh, yours is a bronze shade, right? अच्छा लगा. पहले क्या लगाया?
मैंने पिंक.
अच्छा, बेस में
पिंक.
Pink and black.
फिर लास्ट में मैंने डार्कर शेड ऑफ रेड एंड ब्लैक
मिक्स. कैसे मिक्स किया?
यहीं पे मिक्स कर दिया.
हाथ से ही.
हाँ, ये लगाया था मैंने बेस. Inner waterline se I made the wing that I'll show on Charvari's eyes, and wing liner I showed on hers. This is a very lovely shade. You never use this palette, no?
I used to use only this brown on this one. That's all.
Now you know.
So you make this as the base. Then you mix these.
These and this.
Oh,
And
brown
then
as
this
well.
one.
Wow.
So see, when you close your eyes, and you can lift it up, okay, or just open your eyes. Now close. Open. Can you already see the difference? And then take this from here to your that's all. Only in the corner. And then take another brush to blend it. That's all. Got it? Take this color and this color. Look up. It will look straight. Make sure you take out the excess product from the thing. Okay. Look straight. Keep it and then close your eyes. Keep it and then close your eyes.
No, you keep.
I don't know your name only.
Swati.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ.
What's your name? Nivedita. Very nice. Thank you. Very nice. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the shorter one. The bigger one will go to the outer corner. See, I am going to first stick it in the middle. Okay. And then put it in the corner.
Struggling. Bye.